Okay, ngayon lang ako super excited umuwi from a trip kasi finally we can sleep well na. Dahil our dream Emma mattress na ang hihigaan namin, and besties, we had one of our best sleeps ever. Prior to our Japan trip, dumating na yung Emma mattress namin. Kaso di na namin natulugan kasi dumating siya mismong araw na aalis kami. As you can see, wala pa masyadong laman yung bedroom namin, pero I'm so happy na may Emma mattress na kami. And ayun na nga, pag uwi namin, wala pa kami kain, and sa super excited namin, we decided na to eat here to give it a good test. So we got the Diamond Hybrid Mattress 2.0 and 2 foam pillows. And perfect sa panahon ngayon kasi meron siyang cooling for the most luxurious sleep. Firmness test, no movement from our food. Ang galing since may motion isolation pa, so it absorbs movement from an undisturbed sleep. Best part, also sweat-proof. Eto pa, may pa-code tayo from Emma, so use it if you want to sleep well din. Sa panahon ngayon, and of course sa age namin ni RC, prioritizing rest is very important. Emma definitely exceeded all our expectations. Firmness, cooling, comfort, all these para we can all sleep well. Night besties, enjoy!